So you've got Windows 11 installed, but some of your Dell apps are missing. Here's what's going on and how to get them back. When booting up your Dell system for the first time, after freshly installing Windows 11, you may notice that some of your Dell apps aren't starting automatically. Some of the most notable ones are Dell SupportAssist, My Dell, Dell Optimizer, Dell Digital Delivery, Dell Rugged Control Center, and McAfee. Click on the link shown to learn about what SupportAssist can do for you. But why is this happening? This is actually done by design. Windows 11 prevents some of these apps from starting automatically for the first few times you boot, or at least within the first hour of using the new operating system. The reasoning is Microsoft wants its users to get a genuine feel for the new Windows 11 to its fullest right out of the starting gate. Too many apps running their initial setup at the same time can interfere and affect the first experience with the new operating system. Check out our video about Intel Optane memory to see how it helps accelerate a computer's responsiveness. But not to worry, because you can still manually start any app you want at any point after initially logging in. Simply locate the desired Dell app icon and run it as you would normally. Eventually, some of these apps will launch automatically and resume their usual automated tasks after the first hour of using the new Windows 11 or the second time you log into the operating system after 60 minutes of use. If you need help or have any questions about running your Dell apps, contact us at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. Keep an eye out for more Windows 11 content on this channel, so become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.